Part of the reason we want to take this apart is I want to change the fasteners from this style, which are fairly weak fasteners from SkyMaster. Nothing against them, but these are not strong. So we're going to change those out for some black hex head fasteners and get that stuff switched. In taking this apart, damage the Sullivan clevises, so we'll get those switched out as well too, obviously, to new clevises. And we've got to get our servo arm loctited. None of this is loctited, so that's another important step as well too. So first step, rudder, and also what you want to do when you're at this point is fasten down your surface mounts like this. So you've got access to these Allen keys. You're always going to get about a turn out of them, fairly loose. I've never had a kit that these are perfectly tight. So anyways, got those fastened down. We'll do the front one when we get to that point, but that one is done as well. All right, so it's actually been a couple weeks since we have been working on the F4. We're back at it now, just cycling the tail servos here. So that's the rudder servo. So that's getting cycled right now with our jetty box. Covered this in so many different videos. We burn those servos in because we want to see failures during the burn-in process if they're going to fail. So that's the reason we do it. All of the servos we build here or use in builds at the shop always go through that burn-in cycle. So we're doing our tail surfaces.